Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading. Today, we're tackling how to send Tether from Bitmart to Kraken in 2025. Tether, or USDT, is a stablecoin that's super popular for quick transfers between exchanges. If you're looking to move your funds securely and efficiently, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Kraken, and that you have some Tether in your Bitmart wallet. Always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Now, log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Wallets section and select the Tether you want to transfer. Look for the Withdraw button. That's your starting point. Next, choose the correct network for your Tether. In 2025, most transfers use the Tron or Ethereum network, so pick the one that matches your Kraken deposit requirements to avoid any issues. Enter the amount you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. Now, you'll need the Kraken deposit address. Hop over to your Kraken account, go to the Deposit page, select Tether, and copy the wallet address provided. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Bitmart. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. That's a common mistake that could cost you big. Once you're sure, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification, and the transaction will start processing. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour. Once the funds arrive on Kraken, you'll see them in your wallet. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. In 2025, with evolving crypto regulations, it's also wise to stay updated on any exchange-specific rules. There you have it, a simple, step-by-step way to transfer Tether from Bitmart to Kraken. This process helps you maintain control over your crypto without unnecessary hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and happy trading.